Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Anis Natasha binti Mahadzir and my matrix number S59227. Firstly, I will start with the background of the company. Green Ocean Corporation Berhad is a public limited liability company incorporated in Malaysia that has been listed on AC market of Bursa Malaysia since year 2005. Green Ocean is investment holding company where its subsidiaries are involved in palm kernel crushing, refining of palm oils and palm kernel oil, and trading of refined palm oils, and general trading in biotech and renewable energy. Next, this company use MFRS 15 as their standards related to revenue recognition. Under MFRS 15, entity recognize revenue when a performance obligation is satisfied, when control of the goods or services underlying the particular performance obligation is transferred to the customer. For more prescriptive guidance has been added in MFRS 15 to deal with specific scenarios. Furthermore, extensive disclosures are required by MFRS 15. Next, the adoption of MFRS 15 have no material impact to the group and the company, other than additional disclosures made in this financial statement. Green Ocean Corporation Berhad has many types of revenue, and on this slide, I will state the revenue and classify. Number 1. Production and trading of palm kernel oil and palm kernel exfoliant. Number 2. Trading of refined, bleach, and deodorized oil. Number 3. Trading of biomass material. Number 4. Discount received. Number 5. Gain on disposal of property, plant, and equipment. Number 6. Government grant recognized. Number 7. Interest income. Number 8. Sales of scrap. And lastly, others. After that, I will explain recognition and measurement of revenues of this company. Like I've mentioned before, that Green Ocean use MFRS 15 as their standards. So, MFRS 15 established 5-step model to account of revenue arising from the contracts with customer and require that revenues be recognized at an amount that reflects the consideration to which an entity expects to be entitled in exchange for transferring goods or services to customer. So, specifically, there are 5-step approach to revenue recognition. First step, identify the contract with the customer. Second step, identify the performance obligation in contract. Third step, determine the transaction price. Fourth step, allocate the transaction price to the performance obligations in the contract. And lastly, the fifth step, recognize revenue when the entity satisfies a performance obligations. Next is the main revenue of Green Ocean Corporation Berhad. Green Ocean is an investment holding company where its subsidiaries are involved in palm kernel crushing, refining of palm oil and palm kernel oil, and trading of refined palm oil products, and general trading in biotech and renewable energy. As we already know, on 17 March 2020, COVID-19 pandemic has occurred to the whole country, which has affected a certain company. However, this event not only gave a negative effect but also gave a positive effect on Green Ocean. The negative effect that there was low demand from palm oil importing countries as well as domestic consumption. The movement control order also affecting the palm oil upstreams activities such as fertilizing, harvesting, and fresh fruit bunches milling. While the positive effect is that increase in demand of personal protective equipment, with the intention to carry out the manufacturing and trading of glove business. Now, if you look at the bar chart, it is projected that this company palm oil production have slow growth in year 2020 compared to 2019. So last but not least, my opinion of accounting on revenue for this company, I will say yes. I do agree that accounting for revenue for Green Ocean Corporation Berhad has been made in accordance with relevant standards, which is MFRS 15 as stated in the annual report year 2020. So under MRFS 15, an entity recognizes revenue when a performance obligation is satisfied, when control of the goods and services underlying the particular performance obligation is transferred to the customer. Furthermore, it is to deal with specific scenarios. So that's all from me. Thank you for your time and for listening.